Dear kids, hope you all are doing great. So once again, welcome back to our online classes. For today's class, once again, I have chosen an item from not Active English book, rather it's from Active English Workbook. So before going through the class, I would like to ask you to have what? To have your own Active English Workbook with you, so that you can follow Mrs. instruction properly and you can fill the gaps rapidly. And for that, you don't need to invest your more time in doing such exercises. Okay? So, as we have earlier done the page on the previous class, but I thought we need to give it a touch. We need to revision it. So these are the few questions. These are very common, and earlier we have so many classes concerning the revision test or question answer session. So I thought that now it's time to go with another class, such as revision class. So if you look at the board, you can see that it's a revision class, a sort of revision class. So these questions are very common to you, but I hope that it's not gonna be a tough class for you, as it is our revision test. So I hope you have your pencil with you, and please don't be slow. I want you to complete the whole book as early as possible so that you can have a year of relaxation. Okay, babies? So once again, let me tell you what to do here. Okay? So here the questions are given as fill in the gap types. That means these are also questions and you have to write the answers down. But the gaps are already given. So here one clue is that some of the questions will have the answers like yes or no type. That means if it is yes, you can see 3 blanks. Okay. But if the answer is no, then you will have 4 blanks. So where you can see 4 blanks, that means 4 gaps, you need to sense that here the answer would be a no. Okay, and the rest of the sentence, it's related to that negative sentence. And if the question shows you 3 gaps, that means it's a yes, like yes there is or yes there are. If it is no, if you can see 4 gaps or 4 blanks in the answer option, then you have to say that it's a no. That means no, there are not, or no, there is not. And some of the questions are very normal and very natural. They are just closed question, and you are dealing with such questions in your everyday life. So I want you to write the answers down, and I want you to go through it once again. Okay? So without wasting our time and words furthermore, let us go through the question. Okay? So it is basically Active English Workbook, page number what? Page number 48. So the first question for us is, what is your name? It's it is the easiest question. So everyone, you know your name very clearly and very well. So the thing is that sometimes you are confused that what to write. Whether to put the whole name with your second name and the surname, or whether just to put the name or nickname. But generally, if you are having 4 gaps, that means if you are trying to answer it in a whole sentence, then you are given here only 4 gaps. With the 4 gaps, you can't go so far. That means you can't complete the name, you can't write the whole name. You just need to the first name at the first place. Okay, you just need to put your first name, not with the surname, as the gaps won't allow you to do so. Okay, babies? So you just need to put what here. See, if you count, let me show you. Here actually you are not allowed to write the whole name. as per given gaps. Okay, so what is your name? Earlier Miss taught you that you need to write the whole sentence as your answer. So here you becomes my, as you are answering that. So my name, please note the gaps. My name is, my name is, suppose your name is Onkita or Todhit. Now you can write my name is Todhit. My name is Onkita. My name is Tiana. Okay. My name is Yosha. Like Mrs. name is Priyanka. So Miss is writing here. My name is Priyanka. So Priyanka. Or if your name is Shetu, then you can write my name is Shetu. Okay. What is your teacher's name? Now you can write, see, you have a lot of teachers in your school, especially you are dealing with 6 teachers, okay, regularly. So you can put any one of your favorite teacher or anyone, any name of any one of the teachers. Okay, what is your teacher's name? Please note it down, starting with my whose name? Teachers. Okay, my teachers. Can you see? My teachers. Okay, note it down. My teachers. What? Name. N-A-M-E. Name is. See, as you have a lot of teachers, suppose you will have a very beautiful miss in your school who conducts your science class. Who is she? Very gorgeous and very talented, and of course very pretty woman. She is Nilufar Miss. So you can write my teacher's name is Nilufar. Okay. Okay, my teacher's name is Nilufar. Or some of you, many of us write Nilufar like E, or some of us write A. Okay, I don't know actually in which spelling does she prefer. So to me, okay, I really like this way, Nilufar, Nilufar, Nilufar. Okay, so my teacher's name is what? My teacher's name is Nilufar. Okay. So, is there a book on your desk? See, I told you already, I have given you a clue. A clue about what? A clue about the gaps. Seeing the gaps or seeing the blank places, so you can actually sense what could the answer be. Okay. Is there a book? See here, 1, 2, 3. Here, 3 of the gaps are given. If you are getting 3 gaps, that means one is for yes, another is for there is. So in total, it makes 3 words. Okay. So the answer, seeing the gaps, you can sense the answer would be yes. Okay. If there are 3 gaps, then it is yes. Yes, there are or is. Here, another one is, if it is about singular noun, then the auxiliary verb will be is. If it is not about singular or more than one thing, that means plural number, then the auxiliary verb would be is or are. Of course are. And see, the auxiliary verb is already mentioned here, so I have to write yes, there is. Okay, now 1, 2, 3. See here, 3 gaps. It indicates it's a yes. Okay. So please note the answers down. What is your name? My name is Shetu, or my name is Todhit, or my name is Kheti Joy, or my name is Ortho. Whatever name, whatever it is, you can write your own name. As my name is Priyanka, so I wrote my name is Priyanka. What is your teacher's name? So you have a lot of beautiful teachers, so you can write any one of them, or you can write like male teachers also. My teacher's name is Dibbo Alu sir, or my teacher's name is Shorup sir, or my teacher's name is Nilufar miss. Okay, so then is there a book on your desk? I told you that if it is asking about something, if it starts with is there or are there, then seeing the gaps you can sense whether it will be in yes or no. Okay, as there are three gaps, so you can sense it's a yes. Yes, there is. So now I hope you got the clue. So if there are three gaps, it will be a yes. If there are four gaps, it will be a no. Okay, so let us see, is there any more questions like that? So we are done with number 3. Now coming to the moving forward, it's number 4. Okay, it is number what? It is number 4. So is there a blackboard in the room? Please look at your page. You will have the same question on the page here. Is there a page number 48? Please, in this page, you can see the, again you can see the same questions. Is there a blackboard in the room? Is there a blackboard in the room? Again, there are three gaps. So you can write yes. If there are three gaps, then it's of course a yes. Yes, there is. I told you that if already here the auxiliary verb is mentioned. Okay, it is, so I should put here also an is. Okay babies, so is there a blackboard in the room? See here in the option, I mean in your answer sector, you are having three gaps, 1 2 3. So three gaps means there you have to put three words together. So yes, there are three gaps. Are there any children in the room? 1 2 3. Again it's a yes. Okay, yes, there what? Is or are. Okay, are there cats and dogs in the room? 1 2 3 4. So if it is 4, then it will be no, there are not. Okay, so have a look again. What is your name? My name is Priyanka. What is your teacher's name? My teacher's name is Nilufar. What is there a book on your desk? Yes, there is. Is there a blackboard in the room? Yes, there is. Are there any children in the room? Yes, there are. Are there cats and dogs in the room? As there are 4 gaps, so I need to write no, there are not. Okay, so please note the answers down. You have already the questions on your page, so I don't think that you need to follow the board too keenly, as the questions are already given on your page. You just need to put the answers here, okay, according to my instruction. So that's all for today. We will have 6 more questions on the next class. So till then, stay well and take care.